This 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 183BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features a Sorrento interior, sleeps 6, skylight, water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 183BH is 3,761 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 183BH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.